Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this tutorial, we will show you how you can make app icons, text and other UI elements larger on your iPhone using two different methods. If you want to increase the size of icons on your iPhone, then you can take advantage of the home screen customization tools. To access them, simply long press on an empty area on the home screen, and once you enter the wiggle mode, tap on the edit button from the top left corner. From the menu, tap on customize and then tap on the icon resizing tool here. As soon as you tap on it, you will notice that the home screen icons will get bigger. While this looks cool, there's a drawback to this method that some people might not like. As you can see, it has removed the app labels too, which can make it hard for some people to recognize apps. But don't worry, there's another way of enlarging the icons that will make the text and other UI elements bigger without removing app icon labels. For this, open the Settings app and tap on Display and Brightness option. On the next page, tap on Display Zoom option. On the next page, select the larger text option. This will make the icons, text and various UI elements larger on your device. Hit the Done button from the top. Your iPhone will perform a quick restart to implement the changes, after which you will see a completely different look of your device. If you don't like this change, then you can easily return to the default look by selecting the default option. That's it. This is how you can increase the size of app icons, text and other things on your iPhone 17. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.